I am bread. The refrigerator makes me dry much faster. I lose my softness. I become hard and stale. I stay fresh longer at room temperature. Please don't store me in the fridge.
I am honey. Cold temperatures make me crystallize. I lose my smooth, natural flow. I become thick and grainy. Please don't store me in the fridge. I am rice. If you cook me and store me in the fridge the wrong way, bacteria can grow very fast. They multiply quickly in unsafe conditions. Please cool and store me properly.
I am a tomato. Cold temperatures ruin my flavor. I lose my natural sweetness. My texture becomes soft and mushy. I taste much better at room temp fridge. I am garlic. Cold temperatures can make me sprout. When I grow shoots, my flavor changes. I become more bitter and less balanced. I stay best in a cool, dry place outside the fridge.
I am ginger. Cold temperatures can change my natural oils. My flavor becomes less balanced. Sometimes I can even feel harsher on the stomach. I stay best in a cool, dry place outside the fridge. Please store me properly.
I am an onion. Cold air can speed up oxidation on my surface. Moisture builds up around me. That creates a better environment to place of bacteria.